Today we're going to learn about fractions that are less than, equal to, or greater than
1.
Yeah. All right, let's go. So a fraction
Greater.
is a part, say a part
A part
of,
of
say a whole.
a whole.
Yep. A fraction is a part of a whole. So to have a fraction, first you have to have a
Whole.
whole. All right, so let's start with the whole. This is the whole, it's the whole fraction. So a fraction is the one. It's
1.
1. So when we're talking about fractions that are less than, equal to, or greater than 1, this is what we're comparing everything. We want to know, is it more than this one? Is it greater than this one? Or is it equal to 1? The whole is
1.
a fraction is a part of a
Whole.
So we start with the
1.
We start with the 1, the whole. Very good. Okay, so say we have a whole. That's equal to 1. And we break it or we part it down the middle. And that's 1. So everything we're thinking about are, right now we're going to talk about the numerator, which is the top number, the numerator and the, say, denominator.
Denominator.
The numerator and the denominator. The numerator is the number on the what?
Top.
And the denominator is on the
Bottom.
bottom. Okay, so say for example we have a whole and we part it down the center. How many parts do you see in that whole?
2.
2. You have 2. And how many parts are still there?
2.
2. So is it still the whole?
Yes.
Yes, it's still whole. Doesn't matter how we part it. Doesn't matter how you cut it. If you don't take any out and everything is still there, it's still one whole, okay? All right, so that's the whole. We're gonna go back, we're gonna practice that in a little bit. So say for example, you have a whole. We have the whole, whether it's a whole cookie, a whole caramel apple, a whole pizza, a whole pie, a whole cake.
Dog treat.
Yeah, a whole dog treat. If everything is still there and you haven't removed anything, it's still the whole, okay? It's still whole. But if I cut it or part it, and then I take half, but it started off with the whole, how many parts were there? How many parts was it cut into?
2.
2. How much is still there?
2.
Look at it. How much is still there? 1. So we call that 1/2. That's a half. That is less than the whole, because some is missing, right? So this is a fraction. It's a part. A fraction is a part of a whole, okay? So we have how much there?
1.
1/2. 1/2 or a half, and it's less than what?
1.
It's less than 1. It's less than the whole, okay? Now, let's try again. Do you remember when I said that if you have the whole and it's all there, what is this equal to?
A whole.
This is equal to 1 whole. How many parts?
1. Wait, 2.
2. I cut it in 2. How many parts are still there?
2.
2. So do you see that to be equal to, if the denominator and the numerator are the same, it's still 1?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still 1. It's still 1. So whenever you see a whole that is cut, whenever you see a whole and it's in parts, it's cut into fractions, but it's all still there, Don't try to figure it out, just it's 1. Okay? So let's go. We're going to do another fraction that is greater than 1. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, this is going to be a fraction that's greater than 1. We did this fraction that's equal to 1, which would be what?
1.
If it's equal to 1, it can be 2 over 2. It could be 3 over 3. It could be 4 over 4.
5 over 5.
5 over 5.
6 over 6.
6 over 6.
8 over 8.
8 over 8. All of those are 1. Doesn't matter. If that numerator is the same as the denominator, it's what?
1.
It's 1. If that numerator is less than the denominator, it's what?
1.
It's less. Yeah. It's going to be less than 1. Okay? So now we're going to look at a fraction called a mixed number, because we're going to mix the wholes with the halves or the wholes with the fractions. Those are greater than 1. Okay, let's try. So here we have 1. And just for the sake of it, I'm going to part it in half. And then I'm going to take another fraction, what we just learned, and can you tell me how much you have there?
1.
Yep, you have 1.
Over 1.
You have 1, and then you have a half. This one is a whole, even if it's cut in half, because you have 2 parts, and you have both of them there. So we just call that a 1. That's 1. And then this one you have a whole, and then you have, it's cut into 2 parts, and you just have the 1. So then now we have that 1 and a half. You see that?
Yeah.
1 whole and then half, 1 and a half. Okay. Now, you could have said, or we could have said, that you have how many halves? This is 2 halves, this is 1 half. How many halves would that be?
3.
3. You have 3 halves. This fraction is greater than 1 because what's that top number?
3.
And what's the name of that number?
Numerator.
Numerator. And what's that?
Denominator.
Denominator. When that numerator is greater than the denominator, it's greater than 1. Okay? All right, so let's look at this. We're going to call it the leg. I like to call it the leg. The leg is less than 1, equal to 1, greater than 1. Yes. All right. So give me an example of a less than 1. A number that's less than 1. You just need a number with the numerator that is less than the denominator. That would be a less than 1.
3 over 4.
3 over 4 is less than 1. May I have another one?
That's a less.
That's less than 1.
4 over 5.
4 over 5. That's less than 1. Anytime that numerator is less than that denominator, it's less than 1. Can you give me 2 examples of fractions that are equal to 1?
2 over 2.
2 over 2
4 over 4.
is equal to 1. 4 over 4 is equal to 1. Now, why are those equal to 1?
Because they are the same numbers over each other.
Yeah, they're the same numbers over each other. The same number. If you have the denominator right here, it's the same as the numerator. It's 1. Please give me 2 examples of fractions that are greater than 1.
Okay. 3 over 2.
3 over 2.
And 5 over 1.
5 over 1. That's a good one. Both of these are good ones because 3 over 2 is greater than 1. Why?
Because the numerator is more than the denominator.
And why is 5 over 1 greater than 1? Oh, why is that greater than 1?
Because 5 is more than 1.
That's right, 5 is more than 1. So right here, 3 is less than 4, so that's going to be less than 1. 4 is less than 5, that's less than 1. 2 and 2 are the same, that's equal to 1. And 4 and 4 are the same, that's equal to 1. The 3 is greater than 2, that's greater than 1. The 5 is greater than 1, that's greater than 1. So there we go. And that's called the leg. We just learned about fractions that are what?
Greater,
Let's start on this side. Fractions that are
less
than 1,
equal
to 1,
or greater.
greater than 1. Very good. That is what we learned today. So let's look at where we started. We said that a fraction is what? Is a part. It's a part of what?
Of a fraction.
A fraction is a part of a
Whole.
Let's read it together. A fraction is a part of a whole. Very good.
Bye.
Bye.